Good morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about my daily routine. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. After waking up, I brush my teeth and freshen up. Then I have my breakfast with my family. I start my work at 9 a.m. I try to complete my tasks on time. In the afternoon, I take a short break and have my lunch. In the evening, I return home and relax for some time. I like to spend time with my family and talk about my day. Sometimes I watch TV or use my mobile phone. I have my dinner at around 8 p.m. before going to bed. I plan my next day. I usually sleep at 10 p.m. This is my daily routine. Thank you.